Hey everyone! Dear Bellydance learners, today's topic for you is the sway movement. Let's start with the chest. We draw figure 8 with it, two circles fluently uniting. Push your shoulder blades down. The more you lower them, the more you can raise the chest. However, keep shoulders down and neck long. Then add your arms, doing basic waves. What is important? Don't drop arms down. Keep them on one level, stretching to the sides. What should your legs do? Just transfer body weight from one leg to another, bending your knees in plie. Sometimes your arms may go up or down, or closer to your face. Anyway, keep the correct stretched posture of the body. Keep practicing. Wish you great success.